Hi, this is Mario by Roshan, Mai, Jason, and Daniel. So what we have here is just a regular landing page, nothing too spiffy, just something to put your username and password in and log in. If you're not logged in, or I'm sorry, if you're not a registered user, you can simply put a username and password in and click register. Otherwise, you can just log in. Um, So with this game, we didn't just want to create a typical Mario. So yes, there's Mario, there's gameplay, but what we wanted to do was make it so um, you could create levels. We have a level editor, which I'll talk about later. Um, and then you can also create level sequences. So say I wanted level 1 on there, level 2 and level 4. You add those levels, type in the sequence name, click create sequence. And then it'll pop up over here. These are all the sequences we have in the system right now. So at this point, let's just take a look at Mario, and then I'll go and talk about the level editor. So right here, just a regular game of Mario. Use the left and right D-pad to move left and right, the up arrow to jump, and hold down shift as you're running, or as you're walking to run. Might start freezing up here a little bit because it's nice software that takes video. It eats up a lot of my memory. So slow this game down. As you can see, it's a nice little Mario game. From here you can play again. This particular sequence is only one level long, so you can either play again and start over, or you can click menu. And if you look here, this is the global scores. This is my username and for beginner, and this is my score, and this is only scores that deal with my user. So it's just the sequence I did and the score. As you can see, our score is only 410, and it didn't update. So it'll update once I click this or this, uh, if this score is higher. So there's one unique sequence and username. So if you click play again, it just starts you back from the beginning. So at this point, let's take a look at the level editor. Maybe talk about that for a little bit. So here you can, select the background. I think there's 10 to choose from. But if you have the background you want, you can select how long it is. This means it's, 4 tiles in length. So if I'm clicked on, gotta click off background, then you can click on this. It'll scroll to be 4 lengths, or 7 or 20, depending on how evil you want to make it. And that's pretty much the intent of this level editor and game, so you can make it evil for your friends to play while you sit back and laugh while you watch them. Throw some stuff on here, create a level. Toss some of these on here. Got some horizontal blocks. And we're only making this one long. That's our level. Yay. So you can load in old levels too, or you can just save a new one. So we'll just call this test, save, and there we go. We got it saved. Go back to Mario. And see, I didn't have to log in again because we determined how to use cookies, which is pretty awesome. If you look here, we have test. If we can create a sequence with that, and it will show up over here. So let's go ahead and create the sequence with test in it. And we'll just call it test. Gotta add that. Sequence. Now we have test down here, so let's take a look at it. And there we go. You see we have our little level created. But don't want to die, don't want to die. And there you have it. Go back to the menu, choose any one you want, go ahead and create all the sequences you want, and you can just play against each other and have a blast. And the last thing I want to show you is Bowser, our one and only boss level at this point. So as you see, Bowser comes at you, and he tries to attack you, and he keeps seeking you. So let's give this another shot. See if we can. So you gotta jump on top of him to stun him. That was him being stunned. Oh, he got me with his fireball. At any rate, Bowser's pretty tough, so if you want to give him a shot, play our game. Thanks for listening.